Hubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hadiin baka Batisi TV. Kelapan mi yak hubor haro ka Kynshleiñ Kynshleiñ. Jong kitai le ka cricket. Jong ka jela kibadan haka kenhun jong ka women's cricket player under 23. Ya ka baka Meghalaya State Commission for Women kala khot hajar. Ya kinongkit kam jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association. Namar baka dan ka jing keno pakim shimna le AA wala kitai le ka cricket kila ujor shaki. Kinongkit kam jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kila ong bagi klam yo jing ujor AA na ki players. Lakalong na ka jing tho ne ka mil. Bat la da day bagi yo ka jing ujor. Kila ong bagi hap ban le ka batan kam. Namar bagi por ba mencuaru. Kila don ki ba ujor. Pak association ka le ka batan kam bat kladap ban penstom ru ki batan keti. Henry wat la kata kila ong pakin ai bet ka jing Treilang wa ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women bat ken net cha jing sa akhot hajar. Ban tokit banyak ban lap ki beriuk batan keti. Balon penstom yaki da ka bateng e. Namar kum kita kijak jing le jongki. Kan pele ranya kerteng jong jelaru. Kila kubur bakla don ka jing sha khot hajar pat kiru kin salet ban ai jubab.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Kynshleiñ is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.